Hi friends, so today we will see problems on Cauchy's integral formula. Problems on Cauchy's integral formula. So previous video we have seen examples on Cauchy's theorem. Similarly, here also now example is evaluate integration path C e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 with respect to dz, where C is this circle, so modulus of z is 3. We have a given circle point, so modulus of z is 3. So this example they asked in 2018, December 2018. Now we will see solution of this using the Cauchy's integral formula. Now here we have a given point is modulus of z is 3. Now data is the point. In generally Cauchy's integral formula is integration f of z divided by z minus a into dz equal to 2 pi I f of a. So if you compare the point nothing but z minus a equal to, here we have a plus 1. So minus 1. We have plus in opposite side, that is minus 1. So z equal to a equals to, if we have plus 1, so minus 1. If we have minus 2, so plus 2, like this. Z equal to a equal to, so in minus 2 is plus 2. B, so these 2 points, so minus 1 0, 2 comma 0, minus 1 0, 2 comma 0, like this. Now rise in the within this interval. So given point the modulus of z is 3. So within this point, so minus 1 also within this point, 2 also within this point. Now if it is within this point, we are going to use the Cauchy's integral formula. If it is outside the interval, so directly we can say that is f of the integration c f of z dz equal to 0. Directly we can say. But here we have within c, within the given point. Now we shall resolve using partial fraction. So in this term using partial fraction. Now 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 2 into partial fractions. Right? Let now just use partial fraction. 1 by z plus 1 into z minus 2 equal to, now so a by z plus 1 plus b by z minus 2. Or if we simplify this one, here we have LCM is z plus 1 into z minus 2. So both get cancelled. The 1 equal to this. So multiply by this and multiply the cross multiply. 1 equal to a into this plus b into this. Right? Now find a and b value. So using this value. So when if you want a value, substitute z equal to opposite of this. So minus 1. So this becomes 0. If it is b value, substitute here z is 2 equal to 2. Now this is 0. Now put z equal to 2. So you get a b value. B is 1 by 3. If z equal to minus 1, so a is minus 1 by 3. Then both a and b value, now substitute this in this relation. So a is 1 by 3 into, because here a is minus 1. So a is 1 by z plus 1 minus of 1 by z plus 1 plus b is also 1 by 3. I am taking common. So 1 by z minus 2. Right? Now taking integration both sides. Integration c path e raised to 2z divided by, because we have a this term as it is. So z plus 1 into z minus 2 dz equal to this term. So after getting partial fraction, so this term taking integration. So 1 by 3 is constant outside. Integration c e raised to 2z divided by z minus 2 dz minus this. Integration c e raised to 2z z plus 1 dz. I am calling this equation as 1. Now we have by Cauchy's integral formula. We know that. So this is the Cauchy's integral formula. Right? Then taking f of z. In place of f of z here we have a e raised to 2z. So e raised to 2z. So e raised to 2z and our points a is 2 and minus 1. A is 2 and minus 1. Respectively, we obtain integration c e raised to 2z divided by z minus 2 dz equal to, this is the form of using the Cauchy's integral formula. This is nothing but 2 pi I into f of a. A value is 2. So f of 2. F of 2 nothing but here you have f of z. In place of z we have 2 value. Z is 2. If you replace 2 here, e raised to 4 z is 4 only. E raised to 4 here. 2 pi I e raised to 4. I am calling this equation number 2. Similarly, one more point. E is minus 1. Same expression, but here z minus 2 on the z plus 1. So dz again same. Comparing this integral formula, 2 pi I into f of minus 1. So a is minus 1. Nothing but z is minus 1 equal to 2 pi e raised to 2 pi I e raised to minus 2. If minus 2 take in numerator 2 pi I e raised to 2. Calling equation number 3. Now substitute equation 2 and 3 in 1. Now substituting equation 2 and 3 in 1 we get. Now this is the given integral equal to 1 by 3. Here this is integration c e raised to 2z divided by z minus 2 minus. So integration c e raised to 2z divided by z plus 1. So this z plus 1. So after simplifying this, here common term is 2 pi I. 2 pi I. I am taking out side. So 1 by 3, 1 by 3 into remaining is e raised to 4 minus 1 by e raised to 2. So which is the required solution of a given example. Similarly, one more example. Here also same thing. So but terms is different. There previously is f of z e raised to 2z, but here sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. Right? Similarly, denominator also different. Right? So evaluate. So this integral term where c is the circle, same point. Again, modulus of z is 3. Modulus of z is 3. Now, so this is also very important because this example they asked me 3 times: June 2017, 18, and December 2017. Now we shall first resolve into this term by partial fraction. Now let 1 by z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2 equal to a by z minus 1 plus b by z minus 1 whole square plus c by z minus 2. Equation number 1. Again taking LCM. So both LCM get cancelled. Now 1 equal to this a into this term 1 get cancelled, z minus 1. Right, a into z minus 1 into z minus 2 plus b into this into this. So one term get cancelled, only z minus plus c into z minus 1 whole square. Now again find a, b, c value. Right? Same previous example, we have to follow here also. Put z equal to 1, so we get a b value. B is minus 1. Put z equal to 2, get a c is 1. Now, if you want another a, take the coefficient of here z square. Equating the coefficient of z square on both sides. Here we have a 0 terms of coefficient of z square. I am taking 0. Then this side, if you multiply by this or you can split this bracket, you get a z square term. But I am writing only one term, that is a. Plus here there is no z square because we have only z minus 2, so this is 0. Plus here we have a z minus 1 whole square, so that's why I am taking c. One term you get a coefficient of z square. 0 equal to a plus c. Then a is, if you take this side, minus c. So you have c value is plus 1, so a is minus 1. So a is minus 1, b is minus 1, and c is plus 1. Now substituting equation 1 in this equation 1, right? So this is minus 1 by this term, so minus 1 by this term, the plus 1 by this term, right? Now here f of z is here. This is f of z whole term. F of z is sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. Now multiplying 1 by f of z and integrating with respect to z over c by using the values of the constant obtained, we have just I am taking this whole integration part, I am calling as a I. Dz equal to, now we have a minus 1. So minus 1 by f of z minus 1 into f of z by z minus 1. So this f of z into z minus 2 square, f of z into divided by z minus 2, right? With respect to dz. This is I1, I2, then I3, right? I1, I2, I3. This I1 is minus of this, I2 is minus of this. So I3 is plus of this. I am calling this equation number 2. We have a given point, circle points is modulus of z is 3. The points here. So your point is both are same here. Z is 1 and another one is z is 2. But here degree is 2. Degree is 2. Now both lies within the circle because here 1 and 2 are the within 3. So within 3, so we evaluate I1 and I3 by Cauchy's integral formula. These two, I1 and I3. But I2 is degree 2. So we are using and I2 using its generalized form of by taking n equal to 1. Generalized formula. So here, come to here. So this is Cauchy's integral formula. If you want to generalize, so this is Fn n plus 1. So this is the generalized formula for Cauchy's integral formula. Cauchy's integral formula. Same thing here. 2 pi I f dash of a. So this is, or you can call this is n. So this is the generalized formula for a Cauchy's integral formula. Right? Done. I1 is, so you have I1 is this part. So this is equal to, compare the Cauchy's integral formula. So you have minus 2 pi I f of z value is 1. So f of 1. So f of z is nothing but this whole value. So substitute z equal to 1. So minus 2 pi I sin pi plus cos pi. You know the value of sin pi is 0, cos pi is minus 1. Cos pi is minus 1. So minus 1 minus plus, so 2 pi I. Similarly I3, so 2 pi, because I3 is plus 2 pi I, z value is 2, f of 2 equal to, now substitute 2 in this, z is 2. So 2 pi I into sin, z square is 2 square is 4. So sin 4 pi plus cos 4 pi. Again same thing, here sin 4 pi is 0, then cos 4 pi is plus 1. Cos 4 pi is plus 1 because when it is even term plus 1, when it is odd term that is minus 1, right? Now, so 1 into this is 2 pi I. Now and I2 is, we have a second degree, we are using the Cauchy's generalized form is, so minus, we have minus from 2 pi I into f dash of a. So f dash of 1, a is 1. Z is 1, in place of Z is 1, or replacing Z, because f dash of Z, again differentiate this one, 2 pi Z into cos pi Z square minus sin pi Z square, after differentiating this one, right? Now replace Z equal to 1, minus 2 pi I into, so in this 2 pi Z is 1 cos pi minus sin pi, so this is 0 and this is minus 1, so minus into minus plus 4 pi, so pi into pi square I. 4 pi square I. Now hence from equation 2, so this I1, I2, I3 replace here. I equal to, I1 is 2 pi I plus I2 is 4 pi square I plus I3 is 2 pi I. Now these two are the 4 pi I plus 4 pi square I. So 4 pi is common, so 4 pi I both is I into 1 plus I. So which is the required circle where C is modulus of Z equal to 3. So which is a required solution of given example.